In this quick lesson, we'll walk through the final steps for closing out a construction project in Sage Intacct Construction. We'll make sure all commitments and billings are reconciled, costs are aligned, and the project is officially closed. Let's get started. First, we'll make sure all purchase commitments, like subcontracts and purchase orders, are fully billed and paid. Navigate to the Projects drop-down menu, then Projects. Dive into the project being worked on. Once in the project, choose the Commitments tab. If you do not see this tab, please update your project configuration options. Review each commitment to confirm. All invoices have been entered. All payments have been made. Any retention has been released and paid. If there are remaining balances, follow up with vendors or enter the final bills. The goal is zero remaining commitment balance. Everything billed, everything paid. The project on the screen obviously is not ready to be closed. Next, we'll verify that everything billed to the customer has been collected, including retention. Navigate to the Projects drop-down menu, then Projects. Dive into the project being worked on. Once in the project, choose the Contracts tab. If you do not see this tab, please update your project configuration options. Ensure the contract has been fully billed, including 100% of the retention released. On the project, navigate to the Contract Invoices tab. Review open AR and retention receivable balances. If retention hasn't been collected, follow up with the customer. Post a payment once received. Make sure there's no outstanding customer balance, including that final retention amount. The project on the screen obviously is not ready to be closed. Now let's deactivate the project estimates. Go to Projects Estimates. Open the estimate for your project. Change the status to finalized. This keeps the system tidy and prevents edits to finalized estimates. Next, we'll deactivate the project contract. Go to Projects module and Contracts. Open the associated contract. Change the contract status to inactive and click on Exclude from WIP reporting. We're preserving a record but locking it down from changes. Last step, we'll officially close the project. Go to Projects module and Projects. Open the project record. Set project status to completed. Add a project end date. Set the project as inactive to prevent further transactions. That's it. The project is now closed, clean, and locked for future reporting. To recap, we reconciled commitments and billings, aligned the budget, and closed all active items, estimate, contract, and project. Following these steps ensures clean financials and strong audit trails in Sage Intacct Construction. If you have any questions about today's video, please contact us here at LBMC and let us educate you on what Sage Intacct Construction can do for your business.